Hello everyone. My name is Khushbu and today we'll be talking about 5 techniques of how one can become rich and improve themselves. Many people say that the rich become rich and poor become poor. But the question is how? What are the steps which rich people follow in their everyday life to improve themselves? So let's begin. Number 1. Mentality. Mentality plays a vital role in a person's life. If you think positive, everything will be positive with you. If you think negative, everything will be negative with you. When we get problems, we find it very difficult to face them up, and so many people blame others and quit. But the rich people mindset take this as a positive opportunity. They always take things positively and move forward. So we must always have a good and positive mentality. Number 2. Surround yourself with positive people. If you want to become rich, then the very first thing you need to do is surround yourself with positive people, avoid negative people. Negative people will guide you in a negative way. Positive people will guide you in a positive way. People always judge you with the people you have surrounded yourself with. You can have a question of how do I find if a person is positive or negative. So these are the differences between positive and negative people. Negative people always delay their work, whereas positive people are always active and fresh, ready to learn new things. Negative people always go for parties and spend all their money saying this is the moment we can enjoy, and then they suffer later. Positive people know that party fun will be for a very short time to take a break from their work and spend wisely. Negative people think that learning something new will not give them any results because already they have learnt enough and nothing had happened till now. Positive people know that learning becomes very important because that will increase knowledge and productivity. Number 3. Spend wisely. When we go for shopping, we get everything that feels attractive without having a thought of money. Sometimes we rarely use things which we have bought. Rich people spend their money wisely. They always carry a list only for what they need and never waste anything. They always have simple and attractive personality. Number 4. Take responsibility. Rich people always take responsibility of whatever they do or whatever happens with them. Poor people play the blame game. They always blame others for their mistakes. When something good doesn't happen with them, they always blame others. A simple example is when you do not study well, you end up getting low marks. And when your parents question you, you blame teachers. Rich people take responsibility, accept the mistakes and take action. So you must take responsibility and improve as much as possible. Number 5. Invest. What is the first thing you do when you get paid? You need to invest your money very carefully. Now, many people say that they invested in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc., which is not generating them any profit. You need to understand how investment works. In case you do not have any knowledge in stocks, bond, then do not invest. Get an idea from an expert and then decide. Understanding how to invest takes time, so you need to be patient with this. Many people buy bikes, cars, house, etc. and think it is an asset for them. So let's be more precise in this. If you buy a car and use it for yourself, then it is a liability. If you rent the car, then it becomes your asset. The same thing goes for whatever you think is your asset. The rich people create a lot of assets and then enjoy with the profits. Let's recall all the 5 techniques. Number 1. Mentality. Number 2. Surround yourself with positive people. Number 3. Spend wisely. Number 4. Take responsibility. Number 5. Invest. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment on what are the other techniques that you feel and let us know about it.